fidgets in my pool, seeing if they float or sink. So let's go. Ouch. Let's see what they have. Okay, the first thing I'm going to be throwing is... Oh no, I dropped it. Let me grab that textured monkey. Grab it. Okay, I got it. Okay, now I'm going to see if it floats or sinks. And it floats. Let me get that. Here, I'll get all of them at the end. Then I got these two munchies. And it also floats. What about the chick? It also floats. So, I need to go grab them real quick.
Hey, Riley. No need to be near the pool with your iPad.
I'm recording.
You dropped it in there one time or two.
I won't drop it.
Huh?
I won't drop it. Now I'm going to be testing these poppets. So first is the mermaid one.
Yeah, let me throw this box
It floats. What about the circle?
Got mold on it.
It floats too. Oh, the water popped one in the circle.
Which one, buddy?
Let's see. Ooh, right. Ah, candy. I'll get it. Now we're gonna do these needles. So first, the yellow one. It floats. What about this one? It also floats. Why are all these floating? Another fidget. Hopefully this one sinks. So, make sure you dive on it. There's Orbeez stress ball. This might float too. Obviously, it floats. I don't even, look at all the way over there. There's the other stuff right there. This is a light one, but then I'm going to go grab inside and grab my heavy one that made out of metal. That floats. So, I'm going to let that stay. A simple catch. So I got the last two items. I think they're gonna float. Tangled floats. Simple dimple. Oh wait, no, the tangle is sinking. It's almost at the bottom. Yay! The simple dimple sank too. Oh my gosh, yeah, I have some stuff to go and get down there now. So. Now I'm gonna have you come hold this side so they can see me going and get them. Can you hold this side so they can see me going and get them? Ready? Okay guys, now I'm gonna go get them. So, the pop it. The other poppet. Infinity cube! Why? Why does it have to be so loud? The meter. tornado and the Orbeez stress ball. Where'd the monkey doodle go? Here it is. Monkey doodle. Yeet. Okay. That is all the objects I tested. Hope you guys like this video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe with the notifications on. Okay.